Welcome, my name is Darren, and today we're in the awesome Mianoi hangar, and I would like to introduce you to one of our aviation themed coffee roasts. We're also going to show you different ways to brew and review some of the products that we use to brew them. We just want to show you how simple and easy it can be to make an absolutely awesome cup of coffee. So if you'd like to know more about our other roasts, ways to brew, or the equipment reviews that we do, there's going to be links in the description below. But let me start off by giving you a little bit of background about Mianoi. She's a vintage Great Lakes aerobatic biplane that has roots going back to the 1930s and 40s. You know, the days of adventure and exploration, plucked straight out of an Indiana Jones movie. That's Mianoi. It was on that idea that we created the trading company, which includes obviously the aviation themed coffees. So what I'm going to do today is introduce you to the Outlaw. This is a medium roast, single origin Guatemalan bean. This is aged for 30 days in a bourbon barrel, absorbing all of that good stuff in there prior to it being roasted. And as you can see, our labels pay homage to the nose art that featured extensively on those World War II aircraft. But as for the Outlaw, it was a B29 Superfortress long-range heavy bomber. Primarily, this plane was flown by the United States in both World War II and the Korean War. Probably the most famous B-29 was the Enola Gay that delivered the first atomic bomb. We understand that quality and freshness is paramount. It's the basis of a great cup of coffee, as we have a freshly brewed coffee. That's awesome. I know you've got to take my word for it, but that's an awesome cup of coffee. That's why we roast to order in small batches and send it directly to you. Again, if you'd like to know more about the other roasts that we have, other than the Outlaw, ways to brew, the featured planes, and the product reviews, links are going to be below. We appreciate the likes. Please like us. Subscribe to hear more about the videos that we've got, and hit the notifications button so that we can notify you when a new video comes out. Remember, it's all about the coffee unless it's time to fly. Okay, and I see some blue skies out there, and Mianoi calling, so I think it really is literally time to go fly.